Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can turn off auto translation in TikTok. So go to your profile page. Okay, so on the top right corner of the screen you will see this hamburger button. These three horizontal line are there. Tap there. In this pop-up you have to select settings and privacy. Okay, here scroll up and you will see language. Tap on it. Now in this screen you have to toggle off always show translation. Okay, and you are done. So that's it guys. Likewise you can turn off translation on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.